Okay, so we have another problem here. Delete duplicate emails, which is an easy problem. The table name is person, which has two columns, ID and email. ID is the primary key here, and each row of this table contains an email. Okay, write a solution to delete all the duplicate emails, keeping only one unique email with the smallest ID. Okay, so we have ID and email. As you can see here, with ID1 we have email john@example.com, and with ID3 we have john@example.com. So we need to delete all those email whose IDs are greater than their initial ID. Okay, so its first ID is this, and its second repeating column here with the ID3, and email is this. So we need to delete this row from the person table. So what we can do here, we can simply delete P1 from person, alias this as P1, join person, alias this as P2, on P1 dot ID is greater than P2 dot ID, and P1 dot email is equal to P2 dot email. So what this query will do, it will simply fetch all the data where the ID is greater, that is this, and the email is same, that is this. So we are getting this data from this query, and it will simply delete this row from the P1 table, that is person table. We are getting this data with the help of joining these two tables on the basis of the ID and the email. Okay, so let's see what we are getting now. As you can see, our answer is correct, because what this query will do, it will simply delete all the rows with this above condition here, and it will simply check after running the person table if our query is correct or not. After running your script, the answer shown is the person table. Okay, so let's submit it. As you can see, the answer is correct.